What is going on, everybody? I'm here to introduce you to some of the trades I've been taking this week and completely being transparent. I actually have my results here to show you guys that I'm not bullshitting on some accounts. So, this is another one that I'm sharing stats from, not the other one that I typically show you guys, but I decided to get another two step. And I thought these two-step challenges are pretty damn easy, bro. I believe if you're going to go down with a forex firm or some firm that allows two-step accounts, I think those two-step accounts are way easier than futures. If you're trading futures, bro, they're going to put a, for the most part, a trailing drawdown, which I believe that's way harder for you to maintain. If you're trying to get some profits, I think a trailing drawdown is much harder than you dealing with static drawdown. I believe static drawdown is if you go down, they won't. It's basically you have to hit the max 10%, and it's not the highest watermark, so that's good. Right here, you guys can basically see we did not trade on Monday because Monday is it was a bank holiday, and we could have caught some winners. I'm not gonna lie. I did watch the market. We could have caught a few bangers, but actually, it would have been a break even. I forgot because I was forward testing. But, anyways, we caught a dub on Tuesday. We caught those losses that I'm going to show you guys right now on Wednesday. And we caught some nice W's yesterday, bro, on Thursday. So, you guys can see my trades right here. And I don't know about you, but in a few more weeks, we should be able to get some decent profit and be able to pass the 10% mark, around the 8 to 10% mark, and then move on to the second phase. It shouldn't take that long, bro. So we're also close to passing my futures accounts, and that's gonna go crazy, dude. If we pass that today, which we're very close, we only need a couple more $100, and I got 10 accounts, 50K each. We should be chilling, bro. If you guys can do the math, you guys can already understand how much money we'll be pulling out if we make some good trades, bro. So it's gonna be wild, dude. Right here, we took a loss, ended up being a normal hit. I should have paid more attention to some of the levels that we were going into, and I believe that I was trying to take this up because there was a key level around this area. On the higher time frame, you guys can see that there was probably a key level on this area. I'm not too sure. Let's see. Yes. So there was a key level. It just so happens that we got effed up on this one. And continuing, believe this was Wednesday's trade as well. Continuing, we also hit a loss yesterday because we swept liquidity. We came back down, change of structure, coming to take these lows, take this one eventually, which we did, but we happened to come back up and try to get this liquidity level here and then continue lower. And I knew that we were going to basically take this out because this was clear range to the downside. And right here we can see a big move. This is where I should have gotten, around this area here. I should have gotten around this area. It just so happens that we came back up, and that's okay. So I decided to get in on the second entry. I did miss the first one. I probably should have, what was this, 10? I was thinking of getting in around here. I believe I was doing a couple other things, and then I checked the market. It was already pushing down. So by this point, I looked at the higher time frame. We missed the entry up here because I was trying to catch this range to the downside. I still saw that we closed on the higher time frame below some of these areas, right? And to me, what this signifies is we're trying to also take out these lows right here, specifically right here, and we're good to go, man. We're good to go to take these out because there's no candles in the way. It's clear range to the downside. We swept liquidity. We're coming back down. We already took this one. We came back up, and I should have held this for a little bit longer. We could have caught a 1 up 10 on this one, bro. We could have caught a 1 to close to a 1 to 8, man. But we don't trade outside of session, so it doesn't matter. And this was a pretty good trade, man. I was I believe that it was this trade here that we were coming down to take out, and eventually we were coming out to take out these lows, and then I'm pretty sure eventually sometime down the road we're going to come back down to take this one. It pushed up from here, which you don't know what the market's going to be doing, but that's how it goes. We could have had another re-entry here and taken another win, but we're good for the day. We caught a nice W. You guys can see my profit, and we're up a lot for the week, so we should be chilling, bro. I'm going to head to the gym in a bit. I decided I want to record this video because I know you guys want an update, and some of you guys do enjoy these videos. Some of other of you guys don't, because you guys got no clue what trading, what to look for, and some of you guys may be lost, but after a while you start to experience how the candles start moving, and you guys can start making money from this. But yeah, I also wanted to touch up on a couple other things. I may be making a video soon on why I am doing a couple of decisions, and soon we're gonna be funding up a live account with a lot more money. So I'm ready to run it the F up, bro. I'm going to take some wild ass trades, man. That's all I'm saying. We're gonna be not risking too much, and even when the risk stays, I typically like to risk one to not too much on my live account. I would say like around 1%. So it's definitely going to be wild these past couple of weeks. And that was pretty much it. By the way, those stats that I showed you guys, let's see, I believe I showed you guys the stats. These stats right here, they're from my other account that I got two-step. I believe I already said it, I'm not too sure, but this is a two-step, and I'm excited to see what the next week provides. And then on Friday, this day that I'm recording, but I believe that we can pass this pretty damn quick. So we're already up on the account. We just need to keep risking 1%. And I believe that if we continue going down this path and following the same process, we should be good to getting some really very nice payouts. By the way, I'm also away around a couple $100s from passing my futures accounts, which I have 10, all 50K, and we should be able to pull out a very nice payout from Apex. We're going to be trading the same way, doing what we got to do, and from there we're going to see if we can get that, because there are very strict rules on Apex. I do not like the trailing drawdown. I do not like the weight setup, but it is what it is, and let's keep it going, man. I am excited, and let's go, bro. Right now, it's the morning, so I'm gonna go head to the gym right now and hit up a nice workout to then come back, see what's available in my session, and be chilling from there. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's close to a 10-minute video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is me telling you guys that you do not get this far in trading, bro, without going all in. So if you're gonna go all in, bro, screw it, man. go all the fuck in, because in this doesn't reward people that go half in, half out. So it's when you go all in, when you invest in a mentor, when you invest in a coach, when you invest in someone that's going to drive you and keep you accountable, that's when you start getting results, bro. So that's what I would recommend, and that's why my progress is improving, because I do have some mentors, some coaches, and I believe that everyone in certain spaces, especially business, should be doing this, because you get there a whole lot quicker than if you were to do it by yourself. So I'm not teaching, by the way. I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. That's the beauty about trading. I don't need to sell. So we're going to continue running this up, and I got some very key updates on the next video. But I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Let's have a good Friday, good rest of the week ahead, and thank you guys all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.